Success Factors for Lean Six Sigma Deployment. Welcome to our discussion on the success factors for Lean Six Sigma deployment. Lean Six Sigma is a powerful tool that optimizes efficiency and cuts waste. Today, we will dive deep into the factors that ensure its successful deployment. The first key to success is strong leadership commitment. It's essential for leaders to not only support but actively participate in the process. They must communicate the vision, provide resources, and remove obstacles that could hinder success. Next, we turn to the selection of projects. It's critical to choose the right projects that align with your business strategy. The projects must be capable of showing significant improvement and have a clear linkage to your organization's strategic goals. Training is another crucial factor. It's not enough to just know about Lean Six Sigma. Your team needs to be well trained in its methodologies, including how to identify waste, analyze processes, and implement changes effectively. Now let's talk about the role of a dedicated team. This team should consist of green belts, black belts, and master black belts who will lead the Lean Six Sigma projects. These individuals should be able to dedicate a significant amount of their time to these projects. Change management is another vital factor. Implementing Lean Six Sigma will inevitably bring about change. Therefore, managing this change effectively is crucial. It involves communication, employee involvement, and dealing with resistance. Next, we focus on robust project management. Lean Six Sigma projects should be managed using a disciplined approach, ensuring that they stay on track, on time, and within budget. Utilize DMAIC, define, measure, analyze, improve, control, or DMADV, define, measure, analyze, design, verify, methodologies to guide your projects. The seventh factor is a culture of continuous improvement. Lean Six Sigma is not a one-time thing. It's a long-term commitment to continuous improvement, and creating a culture that embraces this is critical for success. Our next point of discussion is data-driven decision-making. Lean Six Sigma is heavily reliant on data. Decisions must be based on solid data and analytical thinking rather than gut feelings or assumptions. Finally, we come to the factor of sustainability. The improvements made through Lean Six Sigma must be sustained over the long term. This involves standardizing the improved processes, monitoring performance, and making necessary adjustments. To sum up, Lean Six Sigma deployment success hinges on a variety of factors, from strong leadership and the right project selection to continuous improvement and sustainability. By focusing on these elements, organizations can maximize their chances of successful Lean Six Sigma deployment. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this discussion on the success factors for Lean Six Sigma deployment will guide you and your organization towards operational excellence.